Hello everyone, my name is Yegor. I'm from Russia. I am 11 years old. Now I want you to show my town. This is a place of my town, one of them. Uh, we have a lot of snow in our country and in our town. We have beautiful trees and a lot of snow. Now I want to show you houses for birds. Birds can have a rest there and eat some food. For example, there birds can have a rest and on cold days. There birds can eat some bread or some flower seeds. Birds sometimes fly there and eat bread. That's all things and places which I want to show you. Goodbye.